Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have brought for you 10 such amazing gadgets, which will be very useful in your daily life from entertaining you. And you can also buy some of these gadgets, so keep watching the video till the end so that you don't miss any gadget. 1 portal cord. As you all know that the use of smartphones has increased a lot these days, which is directly affected by the batteries. And this is fine at home, because we get electricity at home. But when it comes to outdoors, we have to carry heavy and big power banks with us. And we have to carry their cables too, which is a big headache. So meet the portal cord, which gives you the convenience of a power bank and USB cable at the same time. I mean, this is a cord that has a battery inside the wire, which works like a power bank. I'm sure you don't believe it, but in reality, this cord is quite amazing. This strangely looking cord comes with 1800 mAh battery capacity, which charges itself from the laptop at one time, and also charges your phone there. Wow, overall, this cord can prove to be the best invention of today's time, right? 2 RoboCombat. There are 2 types of children. First, those who like toys like car, chess, and second, those who like toys of guns and battlefields. So for this type of children, this fighter robot is made, which is called RoboCombat. Well, this robot is completely remote controlled, in which you get 2 robots, one for you and the other for your opponent. This robot is very good at fighting, because this robot fights just like WWE fighters. In addition, sound effects have been used to make it even more realistic. And friends, not only boxing, but you can also make their fights more enjoyable by holding weapons like swords in it. In addition to this, balloons can also be used for the fight in its other variants. And the one whose balloon bursts first loses. In total, 4 players can play together, and these burning LED lights make it even more good-looking and cool. Number 3 iPin Spatial Ruler Pro. How much time do you have to spend to measure the length and width of a room or any object? Now you know this. Well, now your work will be done in an easier and faster way with the help of this Ruler Pro. Because this is a small device which sees something and does something else. Actually, it works with the help of a smartphone. That is, you just have to put it on your phone and connect it to your phone. After that, as soon as you open your phone camera to capture any object or image of the wall, this device shows you the dimensions of it on the phone's display. And this device also comes with a rangefinder function, which you can use in this way. Overall, this Ruler Pro can be the most useful gadget for civil engineers. 4. Snore Circle. If anyone in your house has a snoring problem, then this gadget is made only for them. Well, this is a snore circle, which you just have to put near your throat and then sleep comfortably. Vibrations come out of this gadget, which reaches your muscles and also relaxes you. And then you do not snore while sleeping. By the way, you may be afraid that how can we sleep with a machine? So let me tell you that it is a very light gadget. After putting it on, you will not even realize that you have put something on it. And it is not even powered by direct electricity. So there is no fear of electricity or current. Friends, it runs on rechargeable batteries. If your partners are upset with your snoring, then this can be a good gift for you. 5 Focus Buds. As you all know that nowadays our entire surroundings are full of distractions, which does not allow us to do all our work properly. And that is why the world's first productivity-boosting earbuds are made, which is generally completely different from the upcoming earbuds. Because you get some amazing features in it, like Brain Activity Monitor, which senses the activity of your brain with the help of a biosensor and prevents you from getting distracted. It means that as soon as you get distracted, its EEG notifies you in audio form with the help of neurofeedback. Isn't it amazing earbuds? And the entire work of these earbuds runs on AI machine learning. In addition, it has one-touch voice control and voice cancellation and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which has advanced features. And you know, such gadgets were previously used only by NASA astronauts, but now it is available for everyone. Number 6 Manta 5. You must have seen a lot of bicycles. But have you ever seen a bicycle that runs on water instead of walking on the ground? Isn't it fun? So you got Manta 5 from the world's first water bike, which will increase your cycling experience even more. In this bike made by American inventors, you get to see all kinds of new features, such as fall-in technology, high-power electric motor, and remote controller. All these features make it even more amazing. Also, let's talk about its battery power. So it has a battery of 882 watt-hours, which gives you 4 to 5 hours of runtime at full charge, whereas the weight of this whole bike is only 31 kilos. And if we talk about its top speed, then it runs at 21 km/h. Isn't it cool? And you can also see your riding data on your smartphone. 7 Lockbook. We all know how important a normal paper is. To keep it safe, you have to keep it with you all the time. But not now, because now the Lockbook has arrived. This is not a lockbook, but a biometric fingerprint lock notebook in which you can keep your real notes and be tension-free. Because it is so secure that no one can unlock it without you. Because it has a fingerprint scanner, in which you can easily unlock this book by adding your fingerprints. And your personal talks will be personally secure in this notebook. Because even if someone gets hold of this book, they will not be able to access the notes in it. And this is the specialty of this book. 8. Add-up decks. No matter how smart the laptops are, they have to be kept somewhere, for which we need a table. But there is a problem in it, which is sitting in the same place, working, getting bored, and body pain. So that's why we have brought a desk for you, which is based on futuristic technology. You can fold, unfold, and even take it out sometimes. And you get a good space to keep your laptop in it. You can also adjust the height of this desk. Like if you get bored while sitting, you can easily stand up and do your work. And the special thing is that not only you, but your children can also use it for studying. So isn't it very useful for you and your children? 9 Digital voice recorder. Now let's move on to today's coolest and our thumbnail gadget, which is a digital voice recorder. Well, we know how big the size of a voice recorder is, because of which we can neither take it out in front of anyone, nor can we record anyone's words with it. But now you can easily record anyone's words. Whether it is a lecture or a concert, by using it, you can finish your work without anyone catching you. Actually, this device is exactly the size of a lighter, in which you get expandable features with 8 GB of internal storage. And whenever you record, it will save your recording with the name, with which you can easily find the exact audio. And if you are thinking about its security, then you can also set your password in it. And it supports 2 record formats. 10 Docky Watch. This gadget is only for children. Well, this Docky Watch keeps your children safe and in observation. How is that? In such a case, you get GPS navigation, location tracker, and voice calling feature. This watch is favorable for kids. It is available in different sizes and colors for them. So now you will get all the details of where and what your children are doing from their smartwatch, with which your children are safe, and they fully enjoy this watch. Not only this watch also takes care of health along with safety. Isn't it perfect to maintain the connection between you and your children? Guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, then do like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.